So even if one can extract a set of specificities from this partisan socialist Yugoslavia and highlight, let's say, self-management model, contribution to non-aligned modernity, and so on, I also would warn of certain kind of more subtle ground of self-orientalization, and not to be simply content with some culturalization of our own past. So this is the opening. There are other research projects in which we find strong connections, resonances, inspirations, and they are connected to their own artistic political projects elsewhere. So the second day of symposium will address different case studies and ways how current research, critical research, works with counter-archives and archives.